everyone, this is Mrs Mansfield from Musica Kirklees. This is theory lesson number 2. So last time we learnt where the notes are in the treble and the bass clefs. For those more observant ones amongst you, I'll just put that T in there. So today we're going to learn how to write some different length notes. I need to do this down at the bottom. So we're going to write a semibreve. Oops, like that, which is four beats. That's a semibreve. And then we're going to write a minim, which is 2 beats. And then we're going to have our crotchet, which is 1 beat. So we've got a semibreve, which is 4, a minim, which is 2, and a crotchet, which is 1. Okay, we're then going to put those into practice, and we're going to learn how to write hot cross buns. As Easter's coming up, we all need to know how to play hot cross buns, and if we can write it as well, even better. So we're going to start, because we always have at the beginning of every piece of music, a treble clef. Or I'll do it in a minute with a bass clef, but we'll do the treble clef first. So we're going to start on a B. Now if you play the clarinet, this might not be the best note to start on, so I'll do it again in a minute, starting on a different note for clarinet players. But you can practice writing this anyway, it's all good practice. Okay, then we're going to, the next thing we need is our time signature, which is 4/4. That means there's 4 crotchet beats in a bar. It's the top number, tells us how many beats we've got. So that tells us we've got 4 beats in a bar. We're then going to start on our B. So that's our middle line in the treble clef. Okay. So we're going to start with minims, starting on a B. So we've got B. So that's 2 beats. So then we need another 2 beats to make up our 4 beats. A. And then we have a bar line. Now that we've done 4 beats, we can put a bar line in. And then G for 4 beats. So we've got B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4. And then we go into crotchets, because then we go G, 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 bar line, because that's 4, A, A, A. Okay, the stems always go up. If they're low notes, so below that middle line, stems go up. Okay, so then new line, where are we down here? New line, so we need another treble clef, but we don't need a time signature on the next line, so you only put that at the very beginning. And then B, A, G for 4 beats, and then because it's the end we have a double bar line. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then if we're playing the clarinet, we still have our treble clef, but it will be easier for you to start on an E. So that's your 1 finger and thumb. So then we go E, D, and then because we've run out of lines but we need a lower note, we put what's called a ledger line, which is an extra little line. Okay, and that's our C with 3 fingers. And then you can probably work out, so instead of going B, A, G, we go E, D, C, E, D, C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. So you can see if you can finish that off on your piece of manuscript paper, but using E, D and C instead of B, A and G. Bass clef players, trombones, bassoons, cellos, double basses, left-handed piano. Okay, so we're going to do our bass clef, and then you can do it starting I would start on an E, so like the clarinet, but it's going to be E down here. Okay, so we're going, oh, we put our 4/4 in, sorry for that. So E, D. Now can you see how those stems are going down? That one can go up or down because it's in the middle, but then our C, well that's a semi-breve anyway, but if it did have a stem on, it would go that way. Okay, and then the same as before, so E, D, C, and then you can work the rest out. Okay, so have fun with that today. See if by tomorrow you can be able to write and play hot cross buns. Okay, bye.